well, you know, life still sucks with the turbo RX-7. Still figuring that out. But in the meantime, I'm repairing some of the damage that I did whenever I spun this thing around 1080 a couple 4 times. So I had to change this wheel bearing out. This thing was wobbling at like 55, 65. And these hubs, you're supposed to just buy the, if you call Mazda and try to get them, they'll just tell you to buy the whole hub. I think it's like 120 bucks or something. It's just this whole piece minus the lug nuts. But to get these races out for the bearing change, you gotta dig into this thing. So I used a drill bit, it's just aluminum and a Dremel. And I think it was racingbeat.com had a video about it. So, or a little how-to rather. Oh, so there's a bunch of burrs on this side I still got to get out, I see. So that race sits all the way back down there. But yeah, you have to put the holes. I put this one, this is the new one in here just now. But yeah, you got to Dremel out some little holes, and you can use a regular drill bit type bit on your Dremel. And I actually used a drill for these ones because they're easy to get to. And yeah, you can see all the marks on there. Just freaking grab a rod and start a pen, you know, a knockout pen, and push them out. They'll come out. And then to make these go in easier, I stuck them in the freezer. They went in pretty easy. I just used the old ones to push them in. So I had to look up a couple things on how to, you know, if it was okay to drill these holes and stuff, and a little bit worried about it for a couple minutes until I looked it all up. So I figured I'd make a quick video just to help anybody else out that might be searching for this stuff. All right, talk to you guys later.